Hi, I'm Cassidy. I've been teaching Pilates and functional movement for over 25 years. In this video series, we'll be improving your inline lunge FMS movement by focusing on your stability, mobility, and control. Each video will build off the last, helping you move with better alignment, balance, and ease. Before we get started, remember, listen to your body, modify any exercise as needed, and be consistent. Aim for these exercises 4 times a week to feel real improvement. If you don't have time to do all the exercises, do the ones that feel the most challenging for you. That is the opportunity for most improvement. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with prone alternating arm and leg lift. This is for your extension and rotation. You're going to lie face down, lift the opposite arm and leg, and adding in a small rotation. You're going to do 8 reps per side. Imagine that your belly button never wants to touch the mat, engaging navel to spine at all times. Really stabilizing your pelvis, keeping your hips anchored on the mat. Remembering to breathe. Move at a pace you feel you can control the movement. You want to feel your glute working, your hamstring, your abs, your upper back and shoulders. Then when you're done, you can go ahead and rest in a child's pose position, reaching your arms above your head, pressing your hips back down toward your heels, stretching out your lats, your shoulders, and your lower back. Breathing into the back and side of your ribs. When you're ready, coming up to sitting. Nice work. You're going to go into your curtsy lunge with side bend. This is for your dynamic side bending and balance. You'll step one leg behind diagonally, go into the lunge, and side bend toward the front leg. You want to perform 6 reps per side. You really want to anchor down through your front foot. Don't let your front foot ever come up off the mat. Feel that back glute working for you as well. And then we'll switch sides. You may notice that one side feels easier than the other. That's fine, that's normal. You can always do more reps for the more challenging side if you'd like. Going into as much of a side bend as you can. Moving with your breath, staying engaged in your abs. You got this. Almost done. Excellent work. You're going to go into a deep inline lunge, pausing at the bottom for 3 seconds, and you're going to do 6 reps per side. You really want to feel anchored through your feet, feel very active in the back leg glute, so it's not just work for the front leg. Remembering to breathe navel to spine with each exhale. Really working the mastery and control of the movement. Excellent. All right, let's switch sides. Adjusting yourself as needed to find the right distance for your inline lunge. Staying really anchored through both feet. Moving at a pace that you can control the movement. Taking your time. You're almost there, almost done. You got this. Nice work. You're going to finish in corpse pose. We're going to activate our parasympathetic nervous system, getting out of fight and flight mode and into rest and digest, recover mode. You're going to inhale through your nose, hold your breath at the top for a couple of counts. Exhale out your mouth longer than your inhale. You want to do this as many times as you need until you feel your breath slow down and deepen. Here you go. When you're ready, go ahead and lay down on your side and take a couple of breaths just to transition out of the practice. And then gently come up to sitting. Excellent work. Nicely done. You did it. You've built mobility, stability, and control for a strong inline lunge. Keep practicing 4 times a week for long-term results. I'll see you in the next series. Bye for now.